Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to get an invisible profile picture on Discord. An invisible PFP makes it look like you have no profile picture at all, which many people use for a clean or mysterious look. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for transparent PNG image or invisible PNG. Make sure the image actually has no background. Step 2. Download a small transparent PNG file to your computer. Its preview will usually look like a blank or checkerboard box. Step 3. Open Discord on your PC and log into your account. Step 4. Click the user settings icon near your username, then go to Edit Profile. Step 5. Click Change Avatar. Select the transparent PNG you downloaded. Save the changes, and your profile picture will appear invisible. That's it. You now have an invisible profile picture on Discord. Thanks for watching PC Error Detective, and see you in the next video.